a way different type of multitasking happening here. Hey, what's up? So today is the day when we are checking out the motion controller. I made a video about the motion controller quite a while ago when the Avata 2 came out. I had a pretty long break from flying with the motion controller until the DJI NEO 2 came out. This thing is really amazing. It gives you this crazy sense of feeling safe even while you fly really quickly through gaps. It controls really well. You will see what I'm talking about. By the way, this video is stabilized in gyro flow. Just so if you wonder how is it so smooth, well, I captured in 4x3 and then I stabilize this shot. And the thing with the motion controller is, like, I wouldn't feel that safe doing this quickly with the regular controller. It just gives you this sense of everything's going to be all right feeling, and it usually is. And even if you crash, whew, that was close. Even if you crash, well, the damage is not that terrible because, well, this drone is extremely lightweight. I keep saying that, but it's the truth. It's lightweight and it can do this. Woo! Woo! That was close. So yeah, in the manual mode, in acro, I wouldn't feel this safe flying like this with the NEO 2, at least not while warming up. This is pretty much me warming up. Woo! Woo! Wow, it stayed in there. What? Yeah, there were some branches way too low. And we can do also strafing moves. I mean, orbit moves. I gotta say, it's really fun actually to fly like this. It's way different. And also a way different type of multitasking happening here. You have to like move your hand like you would be controlling a plane or helicopter, and you have to also step on that joystick, that tiny joystick. Oh, sunshine. Beautiful. I wonder, will this be a really good thing to create constant flow videos with? Oh wow, those were close. Full speed. Okay, this is normal mode, so it's not really full speed, but it does look fast if you're flying close to the ground. Woo! Extremely close. Let's go a bit higher. Also, this type of a view, I don't think it will be possible. Well, it can be possible, but not as easy as this. Because here it's really easy. And doing these gaps, you feel safe. By the way, I have turned off the obstacle avoidance because that would make everything not so fun, as the drone would be just freaking out. I do not recommend that. If you have had your experience with motion controller, I would skip it. Skip the obstacle avoidance. It just ruins the shot. Once you know what you want to capture, obstacle avoidance comes and interrupts you. Okay, I think this is enough. Regular FPV controller, amazing. You can do freestyle action, dives, rolls. Carefully though, because well, it's a Neo, but it can do it if you know what you're doing. You can control it just like that. Just leave it in the air and it will follow you or circle around you or do other types of interesting things. Or just get your regular type controller and control it like a Mavic drone. First of its kind, I think. I may be wrong, but in my world, this is first of its kind. FPV, motion, regular, or just leave it in the air. What? This is crazy. When this came out, for me, it was slightly underwhelming. It didn't really do what I thought it will. I thought it will be able to do acro freestyle with this. Yeah, it's nuts. Obviously, it didn't. And my expectations were humbled. And then I kind of gave up on the motion controller because it was the first one, then it was the second one. They were all right. But when the third motion controller came out with the Avata 2, I changed my mind. I changed my mind about the motion controller as Avata 2 proved me that it can be a lot of fun just flying with a motion controller. You don't always have to fly in manual mode to get the most fun out of the flight. This is also a lot of fun to fly. I was actually quite surprised to see how much fun it is because it gives you this new sense of safety. It's weird because technically you have less control with it. Technically, you feel like you have more control and it shows in the footage because I wouldn't fly like this in the manual mode with the DJI NEO 2. This gives me the confidence that everything is going to be all right. NEO 2 combined with the Motion Controller 3 has given me some new perspectives again. And I do recommend you to try it out. So yeah, Motion Controller 3 is amazing. I really enjoy it. The flight experience is way different and it feels safer. For some reason, it just feels like you're all right. You're gonna go and get through that gap. Everything's gonna be all right. And it usually is. Rarely, if you bump into something, you would actually crash. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.